Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, this is Tangled, remake. So this is the final version. So, this is the book of songs of Pascal, part 1. So, here it goes. This is the part when Flynn was captured, but Flynn was tied up by Rapunzel. It's like a cartoon in my lunch versus a remake. And there's another part, when after Rapunzel sighted him that this is the first time in a towel. So the first time in a towel, then looking kind of curse like. That means, he's very, a blink green and thin, right from the writer from the remake. And so that is it for Wasn't Tangled remake. So that was the Tangled remake, both focused on Pascal, part 1 and 2 from the movie. So if you like this video, be sure to back in peace.